Hello, I'm going to show you how to unlock all secret outfits in QLab. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's unlock all the secret outfits in QLab. First, head into the QLab area and check which outfit challenges or unlock requirements are available. Some outfits are tied to specific objectives, while others only become available after you've made enough story progress. All right, work through each requirement one at a time instead of trying to unlock everything at once. If an outfit doesn't appear yet, continue the main campaign and return to QLab later when more rewards have been unlocked. Now, keep an eye out for any optional challenges or collectibles that are linked to cosmetic rewards. Completing those can unlock additional outfits that aren't available by default. Once you've met the requirements, claim the outfits from the appropriate menu and equip your favorite look before heading back into missions. And that's how you unlock all secret outfits in QLab.